Wondering why some people snore? Snoring happens when air can't move freely through your nose and throat during sleep. This causes the tissues in the throat to vibrate and produce sound. Several factors can cause this blockage. One major cause is obesity. Extra fat around the throat can narrow the airways. Another common cause is sleeping on your back. This position can cause your tongue to fall back into your throat and narrowing the airway. Alcohol or sedatives can relax the throat muscles and increase the likelihood of snoring. While smoking can irritate the tissues in the airway, causing inflammation and lead to snoring. Even nasal congestion can cause snoring. Some people have longer uvulas or softer palate. These can also contribute to snoring. Identifying the cause of snoring can help find suitable solutions, like lifestyle changes, medical treatments, or devices to keep the airway open during sleep.